What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'd like to share with you how to earn money online by clicking ads. Before we dive into the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Let's get straight into the video. The site that we use to earn our money by clicking ads is called GPTPlanet.com. So here at the moment we are on their homepage. Earn money by completing simple tasks online. Everyone can join, it's absolutely free. So this site is kind of a three-step process in order for you to start earning with GPTPlanet.com. So first of all, you just have to register. So feel free to join GPT Planet. Members from all countries are allowed to register. And at GPT Planet, you can earn money by completing simple tasks like viewing advertisements, referring members, and completing offers. And you can also cash out through your school, Payoneer, Perfect Money, or your Bitcoin wallet. And here, we'll scroll a little bit down here. What can we offer to our members? So these are some of the things they offer to their members. We earn up to 0.01 per click. And the minimum withdrawal is $1. You can just go to read and see what are some of the things they offer to their members. So in order for us to start earning, first of all, we have to register. So just go ahead and click on register now. We'll be taken to the register page. Here on the registration page, you just put in your information. You put in your full name, your username, your password, then put your date of birth. You put your email, then confirm. And here on the payment account, you can choose either of the payment method that you want to receive your money. When you want to cash out, you can either choose Payoneer, Bitcoin. Here we have Litecoin, you have Dash, and you also have Forward Pay. Then you put this emergent verification. Then you accept their terms of services, then click register. But since I already have an account with them, I'll go ahead and just log in. So here, as you can see, I'm on my dashboard. You can just go through your dashboard to get familiar with it. So since we're interested in earning by clicking ads, let's just go straight forward to earning money with this site. So first of all, we come here and click on view ads. So just click on view ads here. So you're taken to this page where we have to view, where we can view ads and earn money. In order for you to earn, what you have to do is just to click on one of these ads. Another page will pop up. So let's just wait for a minute for it to load. So here, click the upside down picture. So let's look for the picture that's upside down. So you can see this is the one. Just click on it. So here, thanks for watching. So our account has been created. So you can just go through to keep on clicking on these ads. The more you click on these ads, the more you earn. So it's as simple as that. So let's just wait for it to load again. Then you see. So it's loading. So here, let's just go ahead and click the upside down picture. So you can see, let's click on that penguin. So our account will be created. So that's how you just earn through by viewing ads. Just go ahead and click on this ads. The more ads you click, the more you earn. So here, it's as simple as that. You can also earn through some various ways. So let's go here. So you click on view more. Another page will pop up. You have a drop down button. So you can earn through their GPT grid. So let's click on the GPT grid. So here, GPT grid is easy to play. Just click anywhere on the picture and win up to $1. That goes directly into your account balance. Each click will open up a sponsor site that you will have to view for up to 5 seconds. After this time has passed, you will know if you are a winner or not. So it's kind of straightforward. You have to just click one of these boxes. If you are lucky enough to be able to win the $1, just click on it. See, your click has been validated, but you are not a winner this time. So unfortunately, we were not able to win, but we still have about 7 chances more. Go on to just be clicking. If you are fortunate enough, you're able to win the $1 by just clicking this picture. So another way you can also earn is through their Wanna ads. So let's go to their Wanna ads page. So here, when you come to their Wanna ads page, you just scroll a little bit down here. You can enter the 4 cents for completing this offers. So these are some offers that you have to participate with them. So to complete this offers here, you can see you can earn about 58.5 cents. So in order for you to just complete this offers, then earn this amount of cents. Just read through the guidelines. We take you through the guidelines. So after following them and completing the offers, you can easily receive a reward by completing the survey. So as simple as that. So here you can also earn through their medium part. So these are the top 15 best offers in June. So here on their media part, it just kind of a straightforward take surveys and you earn. So you just reward provided after completing the survey can be completed unlimited times. So it's just simple. So the more you participate, the more you earn. So you can, with this site, you can earn as long as you want to participate in more offers. The more offers you complete, the more you're able to earn with this site. So it's kind of straightforward. So you can just go ahead and start participating with this site and you earn more. Another way you can also earn is through their skippable ads. So let's click on skippy ads. So here on their skippy ads, just clicks on visit on the walls. This will take you to another page where you can submit proof to the advertisers after you click on visit on that page and complete the requirement. So here, complete the slideshows all the way to the end. This offer is repeatable. It's kind of straightforward. You just complete the offer. After completing it, then you earn this amount of cents. It's as simple as that. So another way that you can also earn is through their offer for all. So just click on offer for all. When you scroll a little bit down here, you can see here we have some offers that you can complete and also start earning with them. in every 5 seconds. Just start participating with this offers. The more you participate with them, the more you earn. So as you can see, this site is much easier to earn with this site. The more offers you participate, the more you earn. You can come here and just go through some of the videos where you want to earn. The one that you see fit, then you participate with them and start earning. So when you are done earning and you want to cash out, all you have to do is just to go to, let's go to account. So you go to account here, you come to withdrawal. So you can see you do not have enough fund in your account to complete this operation. Your minimum cash out is $1. So after you get your $1, you can cash out. The withdrawal limit is $1, which you can easily earn with this site. So the more you participate with this site and start completing videos offers, so the more you're able to earn with them. So another way you can also earn with this site is through referral. So here's your referral link. You just copy this link, then share it to your friends and your family. So the more they participate, the more you earn a commission of what they have earned. So it's as simple as that. And you can also here, you can also see some banners. You can either use banners HTML code, which you can also paste it on your website, or you can also use the banner if you have a website, or you share it around some of the social media platform and start earning with them. So you can see you have different banners here. So these are the different banners that you can start using here. Or if you want to use the banners, you can also just use your referral link here, your direct link, to start promoting this site. So the more people participate, the more you are able to earn from this site. It's as simple as that. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.